Hello, welcome to the Harlingen Public Library. My name is Margaret.
And I'm Naomi.
And today we're going to be doing chocolate covered strawberries and chocolate covered peanuts for y'all. So we're going to start already. We're going to get you your ingredients. This is all it takes. It's chocolate bark. This is a chocolate one. And we also have the almond bark in white. And you can get these any grocery store you want. So I usually,
yummy.
I know, and you just melt them for maybe a minute and a half. If it's not ready yet, you can do it for 2 minutes, but watch out because they might burn. So you want this little silky drip of chocolate to come out, and it's ready to go. So we just got these little strawberries. They're tiny. So raise up the little greenery. They're already clean. You don't want them wet because if they're wet, they won't attach to the chocolate. So you want to pat them dry all completely around. Okay? So first thing we're gonna do is if you have a little bowl, a cup or whatever, you're just gonna put them in there, twist them around. And because they're cold already, the chocolate's gonna set real fast.
Cool.
So this is the way this looks. And just set them aside and just keep on going. And while they're wet, if you want, you can put pecans on it, sugar, just to make it stay on, and just drizzle it on. And they look so cute.
I'm gonna do sprinkles.
Yeah. So we got this one with the pecans on it, and you do that right when it's still wet.
Like, how long does it take before
It starts to set?
Yeah.
I would say like within 10 minutes, the chocolate starts to get hard. And if it does that, just put them in the microwave and you can still warm them up.
Okay, so you can reuse it
Yes,
again. This is a really good idea to give away to friends and family, like a little
Yeah, like
gift to them.
baby shower, birthdays, just because I love you, to your husband, you forgot a Valentine present. So these are good. This is awesome to do. Now we're gonna be doing the white chocolate bark. I just warmed it up and it's melted and it's ready to go. Whatever you do, don't get rid of your old chocolate because you can reheat it again, and I'm gonna show you what to do with it once you're done. So now that we have the white chocolate ready to go, you can start doing the same thing what you did with the dark chocolate and just dip it. Now, for some reason, this white chocolate tends to dry a little bit slower. So if you wanna be fancy, like I am, we have the dark chocolate that's already done.
I like
And you
this.
wanna go to give this to your best friend that's gonna get married. You wanna dip it halfway and then another half. And you're gonna create a little tuxedo on
Oh,
it.
that is super
And with a
cute.
little toothpick, you're gonna add the little buttons if you want and the little tie. And they look so cute with that, they're gonna love it because you made it for them, so it's special. If you want to decorate it, like make little lines on it,
Oh, yeah.
whatever, you just get a little sandwich bag. That's what I got. I usually put it in a little cup to hold this, but I've done this so many times. So just pour the melted white chocolate in here. You can do it, if you want to do it with the brown onto the white, you can. Okay, so you're just gonna snip it real little. Sorry you can't see it, but can you see that? I just snipped it.
Oh,
So you can see it once I drip it. See how it's coming out?
Oh, okay.
And so you can do it on your sprinkle chocolate that you already did, or just a regular one. So I'm gonna show it to you. Normally I do it on the table, but this is how you just do it. You just hold it down, grab it from the little green part here, and just do this.
Put it right here.
And you can keep going. If you want, you can do it on your sprinkles too.
Beautiful.
There you go. Also, like I said, you don't want to get rid of that chocolate that you just did. You want to melt it some more. You're going to add some peanuts to it. And now here's where you can make little candies, like the turtles, but there's no caramel because it's just peanuts and the white chocolate.
But if you had a caramel.
Yes, you can put it on top.
Oh, with you can do those turtles.
So then you just mix this. So now you get, I'm gonna put it there so you can see better. This requires 2 spoons. I like my chocolates to be a little bit small, and you just drop them like that.
Oh, that
and
is
they
so...
you keep going, and you got candy to give away. That's it. 10 minutes or less, and they'll start to dry. And do this. That's it.
Oh, those are pretty little
Yeah.
chocolates.
Also, we do have a banana. If you like bananas, just cut it in half. If you have a skewer or a fork, just dip it in there. Or do it with your finger. My son loves this one. So, like I said, the skewer is better because you can hold it. Or a toothpick. Can I put it there? And also you can put sprinkles if you want. There you go. That looks good.
It does.
It
Looks
smells good
amazing.
too. So this is all we have to do today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun what you're doing with our little crafts. There you go. Oh yeah, let's show these
Look
out.
how cute they came out.
Very good. And they're already dry. There you go.
Get a nice
So-
little box and put them in
Yes.
there. And
Or a plate, a real festive plate. Give them to your mom,
Oh,
Mother's
that's
Day,
a really
April,
good idea.
whatever, and just set them up there.
You can-
And just put a little cellophane to it and a bow, and you're ready to go. And it's an instant gift that you made out of your heart, and it's very reasonable to do too. There you go, that's it.
look how beautiful that would look.
Well, thank you all so much. Come to our library and visit us. Check out one of our books. We'll show you how to make these awesome candies.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Bye-bye.
Bye.